The Cambridge Math Leak. What you need to know and what is the current situation. Content from the Cambridge International AS Level Mathematics 9709/12 paper was leaked, as I informed, and available before the exam date. Because the security of the paper was compromised, Cambridge cannot use it to award fair and valid grades. What is the reality check? Now, the news is the paper is cancelled. Yes, paper 12 is officially cancelled and will not be used for the calculation of assessment. You must sit replacement exam on Tuesday, 9th of June 2026. You cannot request a predicted or assessed marks. Sitting in the replacement is the only way to get your grade. Why this thing is happening? Cambridge is being ruthless about this is to protect the value of your qualification. If they allow the leak result to stand, students who cheated would have an unfair advantage. This priority is ensuring no honest candidate is disadvantaged by the manipulated paper. Multiple investigations are ongoing to find those responsible. Penalties. School involved face deregistration, while candidates proven to have committed malpractice face disqualification and being barred from the future exam. What about your grade? You will still receive your syllabus grade and percentage uniform marks on the planned result day with the same pattern as you have to do previously. What will be the next step? You have to talk to your school's exam officer for the support and further information. They will receive more information about June 2026 exam and November entries by the 15th May. So be in contact with your school CIE department. The first paper is dead weight now. Focus on June 9.